How to add contact in Telegram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Busnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can add contact in Telegram. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. Now if you want to add a new contact in Telegram, it's quite simple. You want to simply open up your Telegram application. Once you open it up, you should get an interface like this. At the bottom you can see two different icons, right? You can see the pencil icon and you can see there the camera icon. You want to simply tap on pencil icon, and then what you can do is you want to again tap on the plus icon there, your friend request plus icon, or the contact icon that you can see at the bottom right corner. Once you tap on it, it'll ask you for new contact details. You want to enter in the name here, you want to enter in last name, it's optional. So, and bottom you can see you can enter in the phone number. If it shows a particular country code there, what you want to do is you want to tap on it and you can edit the country code as well. And you can see if you enter the country code, the flag will change itself, or if you just tap on flag, you'll be able to choose a particular country and then enter in the number and tap on create contact, and the contact will be created. So this way you can add contact in Telegram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.